Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to swipe to change Apple Music songs on iPhone and iPad. With the latest iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 updates, Apple has introduced a super convenient new gesture for music lovers, the ability to swipe to change songs in Apple Music. So whether you are driving, working out, or relaxing, this new feature helps you enjoy uninterrupted listening without tapping extra buttons. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Apple Music app on your iPhone and iPad, and then you have to play any song as usual. And when the music player is minimized at the bottom of the screen, you can now swipe left or right to skip between songs without having to open the full player. Whether you are jumping back to a favorite track or skipping ahead in a playlist, this change makes it feel more instant and natural. And that's all it takes. With the new swipe gesture in Apple Music, you can effortlessly move between songs in seconds. It's a small but meaningful update that makes your music experience more fluid and enjoyable across both iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your music time, and I'll catch you up in the next one.